Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and my Twitter next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and as anticipated, sellers are still dominating the market. So yesterday we discussed about the selling opportunities. Hope you guys made some money, and if you're part of our WhatsApp group, then I believe that you made some more profit, because we also discuss about selling opportunity below this area. If you're still not a part and if you're interested, you can join our WhatsApp community simply by opening a trading account under our referral. Okay, it's not for those people who are only looking for buy sell signals. It's for those who want to learn and also earn at the same time, because we are looking for the overall development of a trader. In the morning, you'll receive a blueprint like this so that you can understand in which direction the market is moving, what are the reasons gold is moving, and what are the setups that we have or that we can take. Okay, you can see we post regular blueprints in the morning so that you understand what you should be doing in the day, because as a trader you should always be ready, and you also receive timely updates in the group. Okay, for example, yesterday we discussed about the selling opportunity below this area before the US session. Okay, anyways, if you're interested, you'll find the account opening link in the description. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities. So we can see the sellers are still dominating the market. So if you have any ongoing sell, you can hold your sell position, but you need to be careful because market is almost standing at the crucial 4,000 level. So today, do not go for the usual regular lot sizes. Try to reduce the lot size, because today the risk is a little bit on the higher side. As you can clearly see, market is forming lower lows and lower highs. So the first trading opportunity is sell below 4050. So during the day, there is a high chance that market will break this particular level where right now market is trying to take support. If it does, we can look for a sell below 4050. Okay, what is the next target? If market breaks 4050, then obviously it will head towards 4000 level. And to be honest, okay, 4000 is a very crucial support, strong support, but in case high selling pressure comes, then obviously market will go below 4000, because see, the whole world is waiting for the market to take support around 4000. Try to understand the logic. The whole world is waiting for the market to take support around 4000. As we all know, market doesn't like common things, so there's a high chance that market may slip below 4000 as well. So if you see market taking support around 4000, 4005, then only hit the buy button. Do not trade blindly. Do not be a gambler. So if you see market taking support around 4000, 4005, then only hit the buy button. Okay, otherwise you can continue with the sell. Okay, and if market breaks 4050 during the day, we can look for a sell position as well. But today, reduce the lot size, because trading opportunities are on the riskier side, because market is almost standing at the famous 4000 level. Okay, and during the day, if market tries to recover, then from the price action perspective, okay, we have the selling opportunity around 4091 100. This is the first resistance, and this is the second resistance, which is 414150. So these are the two selling opportunities if market recovers during that day. Again, okay, do not trade blindly, because 4000 is a crucial level. Suppose a bulk buying takes place, okay, during the day around this area, then obviously market may just break the level in a single candle. So if you see that gold is standing at 4100 with a big green candle, use your common sense, because buying may come at any point. So be careful and observe the market first. So again, I'm repeating, if market drops below 4050, we can look for sell position. Whether we can take buy around 4000, 4005, okay, is still not very sure, because the whole world is watching 4000, and as we all know, market doesn't like common things. Okay, after grabbing liquidity or after sweeping liquidity, if you see market is coming up again, then we can buy. Yeah, after liquidity grab, when market is coming up, then it can be a good buy above 4000. And during the day, if market goes up, observe the volume. If you see market is showing resistance, if market is struggling, showing price rejection from above around 4091 4100, 4100, we can look for a sell position. Okay, second selling opportunity is 414150. So these are the selling opportunities on the chart of gold right now. Only one buying opportunity is there around 4000 level. That is also a little bit on the riskier side. If you see market taking support, then only buy. I think it will be better for us to buy after liquidity sweep, means when market will break the support and come up again. So these are the trading opportunity that I see on the chart of gold right now. So far we have done well. So far we have done a very good job. Okay, and we can expect further downside on the chart of gold because the market sentiment is still bearish. You can see gold crashes 24% from record high, loses safe haven appeal. Gold lower amid weak sentiment. Gold extend losses on hawkish Fed bets. I have posted this article in the morning in all the groups. And anyways, if you want to become a part of our WhatsApp community, you want to become a better trader, you are most welcome to join. No need to pay any fees here. Just open your trading account under our referral. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye. Take care.